If you want to turn off fingerprint unlock on your Android phone without losing any of your personal data, the process is simple and safe when done correctly. Your apps, photos, messages, and files will remain untouched. Only the biometric security setting will be changed. Open the Settings app menu. You can usually find it by swiping up on the home screen or tapping the gear icon in your app drawer. Once inside Settings, repeat the scroll down until you find Lock Screen, Security, or Security and Privacy, depending on your phone model and software version. Tap on that option, then you may be asked to enter your current PIN, pattern, or password. This step is important because your phone needs to verify that it's really you making the changes. After unlocking the security settings, look for an option called Fingerprints or Fingerprint Unlock. Tap on it to open the fingerprint settings page. Here you will see the fingerprints that are already saved on your device along with the security options related to them. Now find the toggle switch labeled Fingerprint Unlock and simply turn it off. On some Android versions, you may need to remove each saved fingerprint one by one instead of just toggling it off. Once you disable it, your phone will no longer use fingerprint scanning to unlock the device. However, your data, apps, photos, and files will remain completely safe and unchanged. That's it. You've successfully turned off fingerprint unlock on your Android device in just a few simple steps.